If you want your iPhone 16e vibrate in a silent mode, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to find our sound and haptics tab. There it is, choose it. Now let's find our haptics option. Here is our haptics option. So here we gotta choose play in silent mode. Now our phone will vibrate even though it's in silent mode. Also, let's go back to previous tab, to our settings. Let's choose notifications, and in our notifications we gotta find our phone. So here's our phone. Let's open it up. In our phone, let's find sounds, and in sounds choose haptics and find the preferred pattern. Right, also you can set up your sound. No, why not? Well, if you did everything correctly, now your phone will vibrate even though it's in the silent mode. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.